The digital world harbors unseen dangers. Cyber threats lurk in the shadows, often undetected for years. These silent predators exploit vulnerabilities to steal data and disrupt operations. Their targets range from individuals to global corporations. The F5 Big IP vulnerability is a stark reminder of these dangers. It highlights the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and proactive threat detection. The F5 Big IP breach targeted critical network infrastructure. F5's Big IP products provide application delivery services. Their widespread use makes them prime targets for cybercriminals. The breach exploited a vulnerability in Big IP's TMUI. Attackers gained full administrative access, stealing data and disrupting services. This breach highlights the critical need for timely patching in cybersecurity. The malware used in the F5 Big IP attack was a stealthy and sophisticated piece of code. Its creators designed it to evade detection, burrow deep into systems, and maintain persistent access for extended periods. This allowed the attackers to operate undetected, stealing data and manipulating systems at will. The malware employed a range of techniques to achieve its objectives. It used encryption to hide its activities, modified system files to cover its tracks, and even established backdoors for future access. This level of sophistication made it incredibly difficult to detect and remove, allowing the attackers to operate with impunity. The malware's success hinged on its ability to exploit human error and systemic weaknesses. It capitalized on unpatched vulnerabilities, weak passwords, and a lack of awareness among users. This highlights the importance of a multi-layered cybersecurity approach that addresses both technical vulnerabilities and human factors. Section 4, Years in the Shadows, the devastating impact. The true extent of the F5 Big IP breach is still being uncovered. However, it's clear that the impact of this attack was significant and far-reaching. The attackers' ability to remain hidden for extended periods allowed them to steal vast amounts of data and disrupt critical operations. Among the victims were government agencies, financial institutions, and major corporations. The stolen data included sensitive personal information, financial records, and proprietary business information. This data could be used for identity theft, financial fraud, espionage, and other malicious purposes. The breach also caused significant operational disruptions. Attackers disrupted services, took down websites, and even held data hostage for ransom. The financial and reputational damage caused by these disruptions was immense, highlighting the critical importance of cybersecurity in today's interconnected world. Section 5. Fighting Back: Strategies for a Safer Digital Future. The F5 Big IP breach serves as a wake-up call for individuals and organizations alike. It underscores the need for a proactive and multi-layered approach to cybersecurity. This includes a combination of technical safeguards, user education, and a commitment to constant vigilance. On a technical level, organizations need to prioritize timely patching of vulnerabilities, implement strong passwords and multi-factor authentication, and invest in robust security solutions such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and endpoint protection software. Regular security audits and penetration testing can help identify and address vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. Equally important is user education. Employees need to be trained to identify phishing attempts, practice good password hygiene, and report suspicious activity. Creating a culture of cybersecurity awareness within an organization is crucial to mitigating the risk of human error. Section 6. Eternal Vigilance: The Price of Security in a Connected World. In today's digital landscape, security is an ongoing process, not a destination. The F5 Big IP breach serves as a stark reminder that even the most secure systems can be compromised. The key to mitigating risk is eternal vigilance. This vigilance requires a commitment to staying informed about emerging threats, constantly updating security practices, and fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness. Organizations and individuals alike need to be proactive, not reactive, in their approach to cybersecurity. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. By staying informed, adapting to change, and prioritizing cybersecurity, we can create a safer and more secure digital future for everyone. The price of security in a connected world is eternal vigilance. but the cost of complacency is far greater.